Hi everyone, I'm going to show you my study planner application that I built for our assignments. So this application helps students manage their tasks and study schedule. Let me walk you through all the features. So first, let's start with my project structure. Um, Now let me show you how I organize my code. I just follow Flutter best practices by separating my code into different folders. So I will have the lib folder, which is my main code folder. We have the models, which the task darts. Um, it's define what the tasks look like. So basically, that's all. And then we'll have the screens. These are my different screen: the today screen, the calendar screen, the setting screen, the add task screen. Now, my services folder. Uh, this handles savings. Sorry, this handles savings and loan details from a local storage. So I think that's basically all from here. I will show you how my application is working. So let's start with my today screen. So this is the today screen. It shows tasks due today. I have some sample tasks here. I can mark a task as complete by tapping the circle, and then your task is complete. I can delete task using this menu, the three dots, and then I can delete, you confirm, and then a task is deleted. Now about adding a new task. If you want to add a new task, you can come to the add new task button. You click on it. You give a title, let's say like read result. I don't need the description, the date, let's say in 3 days, the 15th. Time due like let's say 11:59. Okay, and a reminder also if you need one. I'm gonna choose notify me 1 day before, and then you can save a task. That is basically everything on the today's menu. Now let's go to my calendar screen. So here is my calendar screen, and sorry if I'm running on Chrome because my emulator is not working, as you can see. So even if I come on here and use a phone demotion, it's still gonna work. So here is my calendar screen. And as you can see, we added a new task on the 15th, which is read per result. So here you have dates with tasks. Dates with tasks highlighted in orange. It's where you have task on that day. So if you tap on the date, you can see the task. So I can see the task I just created right here. Now my setting screen. My setting screen. So I can turn on and off my notifications. Um, I can like this is like I can see my task statistics, total task, completed task, and pending task. Even if you come here on my today task and I mark this one incomplete, it will reflect here that I don't have any complete tasks. But if I mark it complete and I come back to my calendar, the one I just created, mark it complete, you will see that I have two tasks completed and only one pending task on the 12th, on the 13th, sorry. So that's all. I can refresh data or clear completed data and yeah, that's it. Now let's go back to my code. Let's explain my code. Let's start with my models, the task darts. So as I told you, this is my task class. It's how the property attacks needs the title, the description, the due dates, the reminder time, the completed, and yeah, everything. And I have methods to convert to JSON and from JSON also. Now let's go back to my services, the tech service Dart. This one handles all my data operations. Um, we can have the add task, update task, delete task, get task for dates, get today task, everything, absolutely everything. And then I can have my main screen that this sets up my application with a bottom navigation. That's basically all my main dot does. When you tap a tab, it switch to that screen. So I also have like the screens list and the bottom navigation bar. So about my today's screen, which is will be basically like the others. This screen just loads today tasks and displays them. We can have, I think, where is it? We have the load today task, the load today task method, and then we can have the toggle task completion methods for when you tap the checkbox. It's called this method to update the task. The toggle task completion. It's gonna be, yeah, exactly. It's right here. When you tap the checkbox, it's called this method to update the task. Um, Also, I've added I mean, if my emulator was working, I would have proven to you that the local storage works by closing and reopening the app, and then you will see all the stuff will still be there, will still be saved. So basically, so that's my study planner application. Let me summarize to you what it does. So basically, you can create, you can view, you can edit, and you can delete tasks. My calendar view, a monthly calendar that shows all your tasks. The local storage tasks are saved and like just press it when you even close the application. So this is it. And my setting, everything. You can control notifications, statistics, and everything. And I've used a clean UI, which follows the material design principles. So the application meets all the requirements and user proper Flutter development practices. Thank you for watching my video.